Hey, it's Dr. Simpson with Stem Cells for Dogs. I just wanted to take a minute today to talk a little bit about the different conditions that we can help to treat with using the umbilical cord stem cells. So far, we've had a lot of success in many different cases with using stem cells. One of the top and the most impressive results we've seen are in our typical arthritic dogs. So in dogs that have lots of inflammation, lots of pain, these cells go in and can make a marked difference in how our pets feel. So everything from a older dog that has significant general arthritis to dogs that maybe even younger that have hip dysplasia or more specific arthritis into a joint, we are being able to help and to treat that and help to decrease other medications. And as part of the multimodal therapy when it comes to treatment, the stem cells have really made a major difference for them. Other conditions that we're seeing that stem cells are being a huge benefit for, kind of chronic skin diseases, so allergies, because the skin is so reactive to everything that's going on in the body, stem cells help to moderate that inflammatory process. So they're being used for our skin diseases, especially these chronic allergies and these really irritated skin cases. Partial ACL tears. Now, while yes, we cannot repair a fully ruptured ligament, partial ACL tears, when caught in the early stages, we have treated multiple cases where we've actually been able to get the ligament to heal and not had been able to avoid surgery altogether. So that is in a very exciting area in which we're using stem cells on. In our poor dogs with intervertebral disc disease, such as our dachshunds or chihuahuas with back problems, this makes an enormous difference for them too, because not only are you decreasing pain and inflammation, but stem cells have a very unique way of affecting the neural pathways and the tissues that go along with that. So they can actually help speed up the body's healing and regenerative process when it comes to having disc disease or problems with the back and the spinal cord. We also see this with chronic illnesses and chronic diseases that there's a benefit, such as anemia and hepatitis, inflammation in really any place in the body that's going on. The stem cells can go in and help regulate those processes and allow the body a better chance of healing and a better chance of kind of getting inflammation under control. Hip dysplasia, which I already mentioned once before, is very specific arthritis, and so stem cells work fantastic for hip dysplasia, or let's say a bad knee or a joint that's really inflamed and agitated and gives the pet kind of chronic problems. We've used the stem cell therapy also for chronic seizure animals, because we also know that the stem cells can help with, once again, the neural pathways and regeneration and things like that. We've had some success with decreasing some medications by using stem cells as a therapy for that. Autoimmune diseases, because guess what? Autoimmune diseases are overreaction of the immune system. So by using stem cells, we can decrease inflammation, help modulate the immune system. So autosystemic diseases are ones that we treat quite readily with stem cell therapy. And one of the other ones that people don't really think about is dementia in our dogs. As dogs get older, we're seeing they do have more dementia type situations, and we found that stem cells, once again through those neural pathways, can help decrease the effects or the different side effects that you see with dementia. And then lastly, we're using stem cells a lot for fracture repair and to speed up healing and expedite anti-inflammatory properties of our other drugs and therapies that we're using. So in big surgeries where we're doing joint surgeries and bone surgeries, they really do help the patient, one, decrease pain, and two, expedite the healing process. So those are some of the major ways that we're using stem cell therapy, and this is just the start of stem cell and regenerative medicine in pets. And that's what's so exciting, because as time goes on, we're going to find even more ways to which these cells can help our patients. We're going to find more ways that we can help pets, and that's exactly what we're here to do.